Emma, what do you got? Socks? On your hands? Who's the president? Obama. No, Obama. Obama? How old are you? One? What's your name? What's your name? Really? Oh. Boop. What's your favorite TV show? Reba. What other tricks can you do? Huh? Yeah? Okay, do it. Okay, do it. Can you say please? Oh. Okay, say bye-bye.